In this video, I'm going to show you what is ChatGPT and how you can use it. So ChatGPT is one of the most trending things on the internet right now. And if you haven't heard of it, it's basically a chatbot which is AI powered and it allows you to have human-like interactions with it. So its working is extremely simple. You can give a prompt at the bottom and then within a few seconds, it'll give an AI generated response. So you may be thinking that this is like Siri or Alexa or something, but it's completely different. ChatGPT can do a lot more. It can write code for you, it can solve problems, write essays, music, poems, all of that. So now I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and some of the cool things that you can do. So the first thing you have to do is go to your browser and then search for ChatGPT. After that, click on the first link, which is on openai.com, and then click on Try ChatGPT that's written over here. So now you'll have to sign up and create an account or log in if you already have one. So I'll click on sign up. Then there are different ways to create an account. You can use your email address, use Google or Microsoft. So I'll continue with Google. And then just click on my email ID. Then you've got to enter your first name and last name. After that, enter your phone number and then enter the OTP which you'll receive. Once you've done that, just go through the terms and conditions and click on next and then click on done. So once you've reached this page, you're logged in and you can start using ChatGPT. So at the bottom, you can enter the prompt and then it'll give you the answers over here. So now the first way you can use ChatGPT is to make it write code for you. So I can just tell it, write a code to give the square root of a number in Python. And then just click on enter. And as you can see, it's given us 3 methods to do this. And one thing that I like is that it gives an explanation for each method. So before moving on to the next thing, I'll show you another feature of ChatGPT, and that's creating a new chat. So as you can see, this chat is just for coding. But if I want another chat to ask other type of questions, I can just click on new chat over here. And if I want to rename the old one, I can go to it, click on the rename button over here, and then just rename it from here. So the second way you can use ChatGPT is by making it explain things to you. So it's similar to Google search. So let's say I want to understand inflation. What I can do is just ask, explain inflation to me in 100 words. As you can see, it's explained it. But let's say you find this complicated and you want it explained in even simpler language. Then what you can do is type in the same thing but add to a 5-year-old. So now the response will be for a 5-year-old. And now this explanation doesn't have complicated words and it's explained a lot simpler. Then the next use of ChatGPT is to make it write for you. So it can be an essay or creative writing. I'll show you how to do that. Let's say you want to write an essay on the impact of inflation on the stock market. So then you can ask that over here. So I've asked that and I've also added in 1000 words. And if you see, it's a long 1000-word response. Then another thing you can do is make it write a poem or song for you. So now I'll ask it to write a poem about inflation in 4 lines. And let's see the response. And here, it's given us a rhyming poem in a matter of seconds. So just like this, you can make it do a lot of creative writing for you on any topic. After that, you can use ChatGPT to get tips and ideas on something. So let's say you want to plan a birthday for your father. You can ask ChatGPT about different birthday ideas. And here it's given us 10 different ideas which we can use. And this is where I feel ChatGPT gives serious competition to Google, because responses like this you won't ever get just by searching on Google. So the same way, I'll show you a couple of more things that you can do. One question which I find interesting is asking ChatGPT about different things you can cook based on ingredients that you have. So here I've asked the different meals which I can cook if I have tomato, cheese and bread, and let's see the response. And now it's given us 5 dishes which we can make. So these are some of the cool things which you can ask ChatGPT, and let me know down in the comments some other interesting things which you've asked it. So I hope this video helped you. That's it for today. Goodbye.